What's up, guys? This is Aaron with Cedar Valley Farmstead. My dad, Terry. What are we doing, Dad?
Beating some metal.
Gonna make a knife for my buddy Josh at our buddy Tim's forge. Check us out. Now, most of this will probably have to be music because it's gonna be loud as can be. There's the power hammer, the anvil, one of the forges. There's another monstrous one. But yeah, we're gonna beat on some metal today.
Check your handle, make sure it's straight, it didn't warp on it.
Okay, so pretty much start to finish of everything. It only took us an hour and a half with the behemoth. There you go, guys. Got a 16-inch Viking Seax. It's freaking huge. That's 2.5 inches in some places. It's gonna be ground down, but there you go. About 2 hours worth of work, but that's because of that. Just a quick video on how we did it. So we'll probably do one heat treating and putting the handle on and everything in a couple days. But there you go.
All right, mister.
Okay. She is all cleaned off. As long as my forearm to my fingertips. But got all the oil off of it from the heat treat. It's a pretty cool pattern because we ran it diagonal on the power hammer. A couple hammer marks from Grandpa's hammer. It's pretty cool. The handle's all roughed up. But we're going to take it and put it in the oven, 250 for 2 hours to heat treat it. Let it cool down naturally, slowly in the oven, and it should be good. Make sure you clean all the oil off of it because you don't want to smoke yourself out, especially on a rainy day.